These are the essential web design principles that I think every single modern website should have. Firstly, simplicity. Make sure your website is clean. Make sure there's a lot of white space to make sure your users are not overwhelmed. Make sure there's not a lot going on in your website and you focus on the important things. Next is responsiveness. Make sure your website looks good on all type of devices, from phone to tablet to laptop. If you don't, you're missing out, because the majority of traffic comes from mobile phones nowadays. Let's talk color palette. Make sure you choose your colors wisely. Make sure it reflects your brand and is easy on the eyes. Too many different colors is just way too chaotic, so make sure to choose wisely. Then there's navigation. Your website needs to be intuitive. If your users can't find what they need quickly, then you need to rethink your layout. Another one is adding high quality videos and images. Adding these and make sure your website is really attractive. It could be a background video or a client testimonial. Just add these and it will really improve your website's user experience. And last but not least, make sure your website is consistent throughout all the pages. Make sure all the colors and fonts match. And also make sure your website matches your other social media platforms. This will make sure you've got a consistent brand. And that's it. Those are the design principles that I think every modern website should have. Follow for more web design tips.